So here I am in the Rindt 911 manual electric car. Just going to change gears for you. Up into third. And you can probably hear the sound of the whistle of the engine going on behind me. So this is a car we built about a year ago. It's got twin electric motors, full rebuild, so based on an 80s 3.2. But the great thing about it is it's got this manual electric box. And as you can hear, it sounds absolutely epic. Super fun to drive. And because it's like a full rebuild, you've literally got everything brand spanking brand new on it. And yeah, you may not be a fan of electric, but if you are, honestly, this is amazing to drive because, you know, most electric cars, and we've got another one you'll see on the channel in a minute, which is an auto, it's just point and shoot. But this, you have to think about driving it.